How to make email templates with Gmail. Today I'm creating email templates with Gmail. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first step is to go to Google Chrome's web store. So to do that, I am just gonna search for Chrome Web Store. It will be the first one here. You're gonna navigate to the extensions tab right over here. In the search bar, you're gonna search for Gmail templates. For those of you who are not familiar with email templates, an email template is an HTML file that you typically use to create email campaigns such as promotions, notices, advertisements, and there are really a bunch of things you can use it for. So in this tutorial, we're going to use email templates by Cloud HQ. So it's going to be this first result over here. This extension is free, so we're going to be using this one. I am just going to be clicking on Add to Chrome. Now I'm going to click on Add Extension. This will now take us to our Gmail account, and now it will ask us to agree to their terms of use and privacy policy, and then we're going to be clicking on Create an Account to start experimenting with the available templates. Select your Gmail account. Click on Continue. Please allow access to Cloud HQ. So now that we have the extension installed, let's see how to use it to create an email template. To use a template, you're going to simply click on your Compose button over here, just like you would normally do to create a new email. Then you're going to click on Insert Template icon right over here in the bottom bar. Now you can scroll through browse your selection of over 500 email templates, or you can use the search bar to search for any particular themes like Christmas or New Year. So in the left, everything is categorized under themes. So you can also just click on one of the things that are relevant to your search, and you'll be landing on that specific theme and templates that are relevant to what you're looking for. But for this example, I am going to be working on a newsletter. So I am going to the search bar and searching for newsletters. And once I find a template that I like, so for example, I'll be using this one, I am going to be clicking on the Use This Template icon over here. And as you can see, that will load the email template to the email that I just created, which is now ready for further customization. So every single thing that you see here, from the images that are being used to the actual text itself, is fully customizable. So I'm going to start off by changing my image. So when you click on an existing image, what you will see is first this magic image section, which allows you to generate images with the help of AI. So if you want to see how that works, you're going to click on See the Magic. Here, you're going to give it a description of what you want it to create. So I am going to be saying Valentine's Day picture for a newsletter. I'm going to be clicking on Next. Now you can select a specific style if you want. So for instance, I am going to be going with minimalism. And as you can see, Magic Images has come up with 4 different images that are unique to me that I can use within my newsletter. Let's say that I want to use this one. I'm going to click on Use Image, and this will be uploaded to my newsletter, and the image will be replaced. The second option you have is to upload an existing image within your desktop. To do that, you're going to scroll just a tiny bit on the right side. You're going to click on Upload Images. Here, you're going to select the photo that you want to add to your design. Just on the right side of Upload Images, you will also see this option for More Images, which you can basically browse through stock photo options. You can also select one of these free images and use it in your newsletter as well. You also, of course, have the option to further customize this image, When you scroll down a tiny bit more, you'll see all these options to play around with the width, the alignment, the padding, or even to add image links. Once I'm done customizing my image section, I'm going to be moving on to the text. So to edit a text within your template, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, delete the existing text, replace it with your own text. And I always like to use the customizable options on the top bar. I am, for example, going to center align this, make it bold, increase the font size, and even change the color. And lastly, I'll be changing the font to something more romantic. If you want to add more text or more information to your newsletter, what you can do is you can select a text box over here and click on duplicate. You can now edit the text accordingly. Click on the box, you'll see this arrow icon, click on it and drag it to the place that you want. The second way to add more content to your template would be to click on this box over here, the blue one, and then you're going to select add content, and on the left you'll see a bunch of options. Here you can choose to add a column, an attachment, a button, a divider, even a recorder of your choosing. So for instance, let's say that you want to add a column. What you have to do is you're going to drag it from the right over here and drop it to your template, just like that. Now let's say that you want to add an image to your column. You're going to click on image and drop it to this column over here. You can further customize it to however you want. In the opposite, if you want to delete one of the images or one of the text boxes, you're going to click on that exact box, and just next to duplicate, you're going to see this delete icon over here. Click on that and the text will be deleted. One typical thing that a lot of people like to add to their newsletters or in general to any type of email is to attach links. So in order to do that, you're going to select either the word or the sentence that you want to hyperlink. You're going to click on link icon over here and you're going to copy the link and paste it over to the pop-up and click on save. To change the background color and to further adjust your newsletter, you're gonna click on the entire page over here like that. And here you can do a bunch of things from changing the background color, adjusting the padding and the borders. If you want to see your design from a mobile view, you can also do that by simply switching from desktop to mobile. So once you're happy with the final look of your template, let's now see how to save this as a reusable one. Now we're going to click on this More Tools option over here in the bottom bar. This time we're going to be clicking on Save Draft as Template. Click on that. Now give your template a name. I'm going to be naming this Valentine's Day newsletter. You can add this to a specific folder if you want, or create a new folder to add this one on there, or skip this process and just click on Save Template. Now your template will be saved under your template section over here. Now, whenever you want to use this template again, you're gonna go to Compose. Just like the beginning, click on Insert Templates and Browse Templates. Here underneath My Templates, you'll be able to see the template that you just created. So all you have to do now is to select it from your Save Template section. And there you have it. See how easy that was? Using email templates like this one can significantly streamline your email marketing efforts in just a few steps.